Hey, this is Rebecca Totila with Aroma Hut channel, and today we're going to make something for Mocha the Aroma Cat. Now he's been scratching because it's spring and he's run out a few times, so now he has some fleas on him, and we're going to make him a natural flea spray using essentials. This particular spray we're going to make in a 4-ounce bottle, and we're going to be using 4 essential oils that are safe for using with cats, and those are cedarwood, lavender, geranium, and lemongrass. Now there are some other oils that you could use, and this particular spray that I'm going to be using will be for spraying some of the places that he likes to sleep, and also I'm going to be spraying it on a towel and just wrapping him in it just to get a scent around those fleas so they'll try to, maybe jump off or kill them. This is not something you spray directly on cats. So let's go ahead and get started. Now we're using a 4-ounce bottle and fill it up with distilled water or just water. Plain water is fine. Leave a little space for your essential oils. We're going to be using 2 drops of cedarwood, okay, let's go ahead and add 2 drops of lavender. This is Lavandula angustifolia, and we're going to also be using geranium. This we want to use about 1 to 2 drops. And I'm going to be using 1 to 2 drops of lemongrass. So go ahead and replace your cap and shake it up. And that's it. We're going to be just using this around where the cat sleeps. We're going to not spray it on his face or eyes or around his head. We just want to make sure that we're taking care of the areas of the house that might be where the fleas are laying eggs, and also to help deter them from getting on the cat. Thanks for watching. I hope this was helpful for you. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We hope you've enjoyed watching our videos. We'd love to see you again in the next video. Bye-bye. He's not gonna want to be held. I know you don't like that smell. No. It's okay. I'm afraid that you don't have fleas anymore. Love you. There you go.